Gerard. The theme today is Because You Care for Creation. We are hearing much more these days about melting glaciers and disappearing glaciers. We are hearing about flooding all over the place. We are hearing about heat waves. We are hearing about crazy kind of weather. This is not just once or twice, but regularly. What is happening to the earth? We are told the next 10 to 20 years are crucial if we want to do something serious to save the earth from this climate change that we are experiencing. What is the church doing about this? 5 years back, Pope Francis wrote Laudato Si on our care for our common home. It was a groundbreaking encyclical, his first encyclical that he has given us, which has been acclaimed in the church, Catholic Church, the Christian world, and the whole world for a wonderful document on what is happening to our common home, what is the cause of it, and what we can do about it. It's a document that gives us hope. Let me read something to you from it. St. Francis of Assisi reminds us that our common home is like a sister with whom we share our life, and a beautiful mother who opens her arms to embrace us. Then it goes on, the violence present in our hearts, wounded by sin, is also reflected in the symptoms of sickness evident in the soil, in the water, in the air, and in all forms of life. This encyclical Pope Francis gave us 5 years back, but it's absolutely relevant today. So on the 5th anniversary, 24th May, Pope Francis declared this whole year as Laudato Si year. He has given us a year to reflect on this wonderful document that he has given us. And he asked us the question, what kind of world do we want to leave to those who will come after us? Now, I know many of us will find it difficult to read this whole encyclical at one stretch. So here we at St. Peter's, our Care for Creation group said, how can we help you? So what we have decided, every day from the 1st of September, the start of the season of creation, to the 24th of May, some days we leave out because of festivals and such things, we will send you one paragraph to read and reflect upon. Just one paragraph every day. We call it the papal paras. So one paragraph, 990-2950. This is open to parishioners of all parishes anywhere in Bombay, India, and the whole world. So this is your chance to do something because you care for creation. As Pope Francis says, we come together to take charge of this home which has been entrusted to us. Let us sing as we go. May our struggles and our concern for this planet never take away the joy of our hope.